I'm Sebastian St. James. This is a community service announcement. The following YouTubers have become far too rich and it's your fault because you watch them too much. That's right, you watch their ads. According to Forbes, these are the most highly paid YouTubers over the last 12 months. That's right, this information's right up to date. Who is on this list? Am I on this list? And if you're not on this list, does that mean as a YouTuber, you're a total failure? Here is Preston, known as PrestonPlayz. Sorry, this must be Preston. Very colourful. In the last 12 months, YouTube has paid him $16 million. $16 million for playing Minecraft? Doing the wrong type of channel. He is the 10th most highly paid channel and it's your fault because you or your kids have been watching him too much. And he has a big mouth in every thumbnail. Minecraft, 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 Minecraft with lots of money. And that's real money that Preston's earned just this year. At number 9, this is Logan Paul. Oh, we seem to have caught him at a bad moment. Sorry, this is Logan Paul. Does this guy just get beaten up all the time or something? He earned $18 million. What? For playing a victim? Let's have a look at his channel. Oh, spent $150,000 on a Pokemon card. More money than sense. Goodbye forever. Goodbye. That was a year later. Are you still making videos? I suspect you are. Put some clothes on. What? What are we seeing there? I'm sorry, viewers. Avert your eyes. I was not expecting this. At number 8, Dude Perfect, earning $20 million. And here they are. So a bunch of guys wearing board shorts, right? Here they are again. Wearing shorts again. Perhaps they're models for the shorts clothing industry. Beach stereotypes. Where they're building a sandcastle. Oh, more shorts. I've seen enough of them in their shorts. The 7th highest paid YouTuber is Ryan at $27 million. Oh, he's a preschooler. Here he is growing up again. Slightly. So for $27 million, Ryan plays with blocks. That must be fun. Oh, lots of eyes. Are they actually in it or stuck on? I don't know. Hide and seek with giant googly eyes. Pretend play. Notice? Only pretend. It's all fake. At number 6, Anastasia. She earned $28 million. And here she is with a father who has an unfortunately large nose. Not that I notice, we accept people with all types of noses on this channel. Nastya and her best friends help each other blow up a balloon. What have you done to your shorts? Oh, you've made a mess. Learn safety rules from her dad. Oh, don't go across the path where there's absolutely no traffic. That's a good lesson for you kids. At number 5 there is I refuse to say his name. It's Unspeakable. Earning $28.5 million. Here he is, playing with his balls. And here he is, pretending to be a Minecraft character. Is that all it takes these days to become rich? Playing Minecraft. Turning my school bus into a cereal bowl. Really? I haven't seen the cereal. Is that just in the thumbnail? Is that what really happened? I filled my house with real slime. Oh well. No! Who's cleaning this up? At number 4, it's Rhett and Link, who've earned $30 million. Proving that even if you have earned $30 million, you still can't afford a razor. And here they are again. Yes, just as I thought. Medically allergic to razors. What a sad condition. With a fajitas taste test. Oh, does he pick it out of his beard? I hope he doesn't drop any. At number 3, it's Markiplier. $38 million and here is a picture. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oreo, dear. Hang on, this is like what 15-year-olds are doing. Isn't he a grown man? Well, apparently, some people don't grow out of it. At number 2, it's Jake Paul, who earned $45 million. And here's a picture of him. Oh. There's something about Logan and Jake that just makes you want to punch them. Let's take a look at his channel. Jake Paul. Oh, well, that's attractive, isn't it? Not. I got caught cheating on my wife. Really? This isn't contrived. Is that her? Or is that his wife? We'll never know. I snuck into VidCon. Then surprised Tanya with this. Well, I hope that's Tanya. Otherwise, she is in for a big surprise. At number 1, it is MrBeast, who's earned $54 million. And here he is, with money coming out of his ears. Typical. Here he is again. Oh, with more money. I'm noticing a trend here, Jimmy. Let's take a look at his channel. MrBeast, but you cannot tell. Look, Jimmy, I'm very disappointed with this channel banner. You know, just saying. Put a little bit of effort into it. Extreme, $1 million hide and seek. Who gets $1 million? He does, in ad revenue. $456,000 Squid Game in real life. Yeah, everything's got dollar values about it. That's how he becomes famous. There we go. If you want to grow a YouTube channel, just put dollar amounts in your titles. I spent $50. Oops, Freudian slip there. So what have we learned? If you want to become the most highly paid YouTubers, then yes to Minecraft, kids' toys and challenge videos, and no to absolutely everything else. So it would seem. MrBeast, $54 million down to Preston at 16. Preston, you're going to have to work harder. I don't appear to be on this list. Is that just an oversight? I hope so. I should be on the list because, after all, I own an island and people pay me money for doing nothing. I've done a video on that. Go ahead and watch it now.